would you like to own a brand new single-family home in a serene setting with up to half-acre wooded home sites? Welcome to Vista Verde, where you'll find the best value for an upscale living in Liberty Township. Hi, I'm Caroline. Thanks for stopping by. Let me show you around. Inside, you'll find your kitchen includes an oversized island ideal for a breakfast counter, homework desk, game table, or all three at once. And you'll love hosting family and friends in your open concept floor plan. Your owner's suite with a spacious bath is the perfect retreat at the end of a long day. With up to 6 bedrooms and a ranch home option, I know we will have a floor plan to fit your family's lifestyle. With so many bedrooms and flex spaces, there's room for your entire family to spread out or come together in your finished basement. For after school or weekend fun, host a barbecue in your backyard with enough space to entertain everyone, or head to the community pool and kick back and relax with neighbors. You can have peace of mind knowing your kids are going to the area's top-rated schools in the Lakota School District. You'll also love the convenience of nearby shopping and dining, including Bridgewater Falls and Liberty Center. Vista Verde is situated just a few minutes from I-75, Route 4, and Route 129, making commuting a breeze. So what do you think? Are you ready to love where you live? Look up our location and put it in your phone. I'll see you when you get here.